facing the police every single day.
Watch, volunteers kicked out of National Park for cleaning it during shutdown without a permit. Volunteers were kicked off a national park this week because they were picking up trash and didn't fill out the proper paperwork to do so. By Matt Agarist, January 16, 2019. As the government shutdown enters week 5, debris, trash, and snow are piling up at national parks across the country as the bureaucrats who get paid to maintain them stay home. Luckily, however, volunteers from all walks of life have stepped up to fill their shoes, and they've been doing a fantastic job, that is, when the government isn't kicking them out. A group of libertarians in Tennessee has been volunteering at national parks to do the bureaucrats' jobs, and they were doing it successfully, until this week. As the volunteers with the Libertarian Party of Tennessee Delta region began cleaning up Shiloh National Military Park over the weekend, they were quickly approached by park rangers who demanded they leave the property. According to the representative from the Libertarian Party, the volunteers were told to cease their work and leave immediately. We as the Libertarian Party of Tennessee Delta region planned a volunteer effort to clean Shiloh National Military Park. This is a part of a massive effort conducted throughout the U.S. to help keep our parks clean during the government shutdown. No group of volunteers has been stopped throughout this nationwide effort until today. We were told about 30 minutes into our cleaning that we were not officially volunteers and would have to stop. We attempted to reason with the park ranger, however he blatantly told us that even walking alongside the walkways and picking up trash was prohibited. The Libertarian Party is a party that centers on volunteerism and helping our community. It is a shame in the volunteer state we are stopped from volunteering. Indeed, the irony of being stopped from volunteering in the state whose motto is "the volunteer state is supreme," and speaks to the nature of government. As the video below shows, the park ranger couldn't give them a good reason for making them leave. He explained that the park is open and that they could go wherever they would like. However, if they tried to make the place look nicer by picking up trash and debris along the way, then they were crossing a line. There's forms that have to be filled out, the ranger says in the video. According to the ranger, picking up piles of leaves and sticks is not okay unless you scribble on a bunch of pieces of paper before doing it. After arguing with the ranger, the group eventually saw the futile nature of the situation and they acquiesced and left. Why, exactly, government agents would want to prevent people from making the park look nice for free is a mystery. However, it should come as no surprise. Good Samaritans often find themselves in the crosshairs of government when trying to do good deeds like feeding the homeless. Luckily, as TFTP has recently reported, other groups have been allowed to volunteer and are doing a great job at it. This shutdown is proving the power of free enterprise and volunteerism, and it's doing it well. Youth groups, private businesses, and political clubs have stepped up across the country to fill in where the government has left off. From Yellowstone to Washington, D.C., dedicated private individuals have been picking up trash, clearing snow from roads, maintaining trails, cleaning toilets, and much more. And they are all doing it for free. Business owners and individuals from all walks of life have seen the void created by this shutdown, and they are proving that private citizens can do these jobs just as good or better than the state. More importantly, they don't need the promise of a taxpayer-funded paycheck, guaranteed promotions, and a golden retirement to do it.
That'll be my chief. Okay. So then we're obviously not closed, as I passed like 6 joggers coming through.
The roadway's open. The park is open. All the grounds and the facilities are closed.
So
no one can walk on the grass.
Yeah, you can walk on the grass. The grounds are open. The facilities are closed.
So what are we violating right now?
I understand what y'all are trying to do. I mean,
I'm just asking, what are we violating right now?
Y'all are acting as volunteers,
right?
And you're not volunteers right now. So
well, actually, we are by the definition of the word.
Well, I understand what you're saying, but what I'm saying is, there's forms that have to be filled out.
I get that, but
to
the
cover
government
y'all,
shut
to
down.
cover us.
We're not going to sue if that's an issue.
Well,
since the government shut down, it wouldn't do
I
us
need you
much
to work
good.
with me,
Right?
okay?
I'm trying here. I'm just trying to
I'm
understand.
telling you that you can't do this. And you
Okay,
can talk
why
to the
is
chief
that?
Tomorrow, the chief will be here tomorrow. You're welcome to talk to him, Chief Allen.
Okay.
Okay.
So is there anything then preventing us from, say, jogging very slowly, picking up your trash along the roadway?
You're still technically doing the same thing you're doing here. You understand my point?
I do. I understand your point.
Yeah. I'm not. I mean, I appreciate y'all's help. I would love.
Okay,
to
so these joggers, if they happen to pick up some of the trash they drop, would you say the same thing to them?
That they dropped it? No, because if they dropped it.
I will say this: there have been people who have told us via Facebook and things like that they've been out here doing the similar efforts.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm not aware of it.
Okay.
I'm not saying it hasn't happened.
Okay. I was curious.
We were also told via Facebook by people from the National Parks and Services that we weren't wanted here because of our liberal views, though.
I don't know what your views are.
Well, okay.
All right, like I am trying to work with you, I just don't understand. If the grounds are open, we're allowed to walk on the grass, then what is it hurting us? You're picking up brush and...
You're doing labor and you're not a volunteer at this time. I mean, like I said, I would love to sign you up as volunteers. As soon as the volunteer coordinator gets back on the park, he'll sign you up and we'll take all the help you can give us.
I mean, I have no problem signing a waiver of subrogation right now.
I don't have anything like that, ma'am.
I do. I work in commercial insurance. I have a ton of those forms blank.
Okay, well, this is the federal government. I mean, I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just saying that I need you to stop, please.
Okay.
And Monday morning, when the chief gets here, you can speak with him. Maybe y'all can work out something. I don't know. I'm the low man.
I get that.
Well, all right. Well, it appears our hands are a little bit tied.
So the federal government is stopping us from cleaning up the parks due to safety concerns and liability concerns because of the government shutdown.
That's what it appears
We're
like.
not volunteers, even though we're volunteering, to be clear. The bureaucratic BS that's happening right now. Thank you. We'll leave.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. So you'll get this too. We can't finish this.
As soon as the government opens back up, we'll get all of this.
All right. Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Don or Chris floating around by any chance?
I'm sorry?
Or Don or Chris floating around? But one, is Don Thompson
I'm not
working?
No.
He's retired.
Yes, sir.
What about Chris?
Yeah, he's still here.
Okay. He sort of seemed like he was in approval of everything that's going on, but that's
I haven't seen him since the shutdown. So.
all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, why don't we go on a field trip and explore the
Grounds are open.
Hey, Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.